What's up, guys? So our banister on our second story landing here was loose. So this is what I picked up from Home Depot for $30, this Newel Attach Kit. And basically there's 4 L brackets with some screws. I thought this would be really easy to install and I could post a quick how-to video on this, but instead I do not recommend this product, and here's why. So the main issue is the quality of these screws. You can see I stripped one on this side and one on the other side. And yeah, they just are not up to the task of screwing into this hard wood. You can see that these are stripped, and I did pre-drill these. The instructions say you can just screw them right in, but there's no way that can work. Even pre-drilled, I needed a lot of torque to just screw these in the hardwood, and just very easy to strip or snap these screws completely. I think further the issue with this is I think these brackets are too small. You see how close these screws are to the base, so it's very hard to get good torque on these screws, particularly the bottom ones. But these two, you can see where I am on the stairs. You know, if this was higher up, I feel like that would make this a lot more stable and a lot easier to screw these in without stripping the heads. Further, then you got to think about on this side, I haven't even attempted to put these in, but these are not easy to remove. So being able to screw these in would be very difficult. And then here's a look at the other side, and I got these in pretty well, except the head on this one is about to snap off. And the final issue with this kit is it's got this wood trim piece. First of all, there's no hardware to actually mount this, so you've got to glue and nail this separately. But secondly, it does not fit perfectly, and I did see a lot of other people complain about this. It's slightly too big, so I've got it flush at this corner here, and you can see here it's too big. So with me getting those 2 sides on, it did make this more stable, but this took a lot of work to screw those screws in and snapped 2 of them off. The trim doesn't fit. Overall, I would not spend your $30 on this kit.